viewers, welcome to today's topic. Today I'm going to show you a trick that hackers use to send you booming SMSs. Maybe you receive lots and lots of SMS each and every day, or you receive so many calls, or you receive calls from private calls that you don't know. So today I'm going to show you a trick that hackers use to send you these booming SMSs, which is called TBomb. So let me just go to my folders and show you this TBomb. You can just go and download this TBomb. Let me just open it on terminal so that we can see. Let me start this TBomb. So with this TBomb, you can just read about it and get some of the information, how you can use it and how you can send booming SMSs to any victim that you want to send these booming SMSs to. Let me just press enter. You can read over here. If you want to send SMSs, you can select one. If you want to start calling, you can select two, and let me select one and hit enter. Our server is going to come now. It's checking for the updates. Alright, so now it says we should enter our country code. So enter any country code that you want, maybe the country code of this person that you want to send booming SMSs. So let me write the country code, or it says we should write it without brass. You just have to write it like this. Then you enter the number of that person you want to send the booming SMSs to. So I will not provide the exact number. Then you hit enter. It will give you another pop-up that says, or it will give you another message that says you should list the number of threads and hit enter. Then it will start sending those booming SMSs to the victim. So please don't use this on anyone without their permission, guys. This was just for educational purposes to show you how hackers use this tool to send you the booming SMSs. Please make sure that you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you have any question, please write it on my comment. I will just attend it. Thank you.